morning. So today we have come to Gamcheon Culture Village. It's an area that's been rejuvenated, painted for tourists to come look around, but it's still a resident village. I think everyone has also decided to come today because it's a holiday. It's somewhere that you can just walk around for free. Yeah, let's see what we can find. What you got?
I got chestnut bread.
Ooh, chestnut bread.
Chestnut bread. You did. Chestnut bread. Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, for an area that was just high poverty and just rejuvenated like this and got lots of people into the area for tourism.
Spend the money.
As soon as you literally step off that main road.
Taking a ride to join a lake 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가
And we found the people again.
Often, isn't it?
Which is nice. Yeah.
어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거여서 밤바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리
Hey! So what did you think of the cultural village?
It was really pretty and impressive once you looked over it. The main route around it is very touristy, but that was the whole aim of it.
Yeah, it's... Kawasaki Ninja and something I didn't see. it's one of those places that it's touristy because they told you it's touristy.
Yeah, they
So
made it that way.
it was a false, like, it's false tourism in terms of like, it was designed to be touristy. It wasn't something interesting that kind of became touristy. So in that sense, it's a little odd. It's still really pretty. It's still really nice.
As soon as you walk down any of the stairways, you get away from people and you get to kind of see how people are still living. So
Yeah.
it is interesting. You just have to come off the main route.
Definitely worth going to, but like, you know, we're just walking along the side of the road.
Yeah.
And that's, to me, just as interesting than kind of going there. But it is definitely worth going round.
It's free as well. So.
Yeah. We are now walking because we're slightly masochistic. No, we had the option of getting a bus, but it was like a 10-minute bus ride or like a 35-minute, 40-minute walk. So we thought, oh, just go for a walk.
We might regret that later. But yeah, so we're going to go to Songdo Beach and the skywalk there. You can get a cable car from there over to Annam Park as well, or do the coastal trek back, but we can't be bothered.
No.
So we're just going to enjoy it from Songdo Beach area
And
and then head back.
go from there. So yeah, definitely worth going to. Definitely worth seeing. Is it the best thing I've ever seen? No. Yeah?
Easy to get to.
Easy to get to. Right. We'll bring you along to anything else that's interesting. Another day, another beach in Busan.
There's so many just right in the city.
Yeah.
Like, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a really nice beach.
And it's like the calmest sea I've seen.
Yeah, it definitely is. But
Where I
yeah,
haven't even bought some stuff. Damn it.
but yeah, it's even got some like cool statues. You can see the skywalk that we've been seeing, and as well as the cable cars. So yeah, really nice beach. Now that's what dinner's about. That's what dinner's about. Can we get a beer? Haha. Let's get us a beer. Yeah. Yeah. Lager going to the IPA. Beer!